Hello, my name is Mike Crummy from Matrix Packaging Machinery. I've been an electrical engineer here now for 18 years. I also do quite a bit of product development, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our Elete Premier. Much like the rest of our manufactured machines in Saukville, this is intended for vertical form fill seal packaging. It is a very hygienic machine, as can be seen by its features shortly. And we can make anything from a 2 3/4 inch wide bag all the way up to an 18 inch wide bag with up to 23 inches in length in a single pull. In Matrix Packaging Machinery, our relationship is not over when the sale is done. Our long-term partnership includes continuing to support our customers with an in-house parts department and a large service team strategically placed throughout the U.S., as well as continued sales support for any new equipment needs. We also have extensive experience in many flexible packaging applications, and we work within multiple vertical industries such as food, beverage, bakery, candy, coffee, tea, disinfectants and sanitizers, cold chain, which includes gel and freezer packs, dried meats, IQF applications, pet foods and treats, pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals, snack foods, and more. In Matrix, we've often tailored our highly efficient packaging machine systems specifically for customers' needs, and we are committed to optimizing our flexible packaging solutions for customers on a global scale. In order to do this, Matrix partners with and is the master distributor for FL Technics, also a Promoc brand, manufacturing horizontal form fill seal machines from roll stock, INV Pack, which can produce stick packs and sachet machines, and of course Toyo Jidoki, which offers premium quality pre-made manufactured pouch filling machines with a small footprint. Matrix is a brand of Promoc, who is a global leader in packaging line solutions. And as part of the Promoc Flexibles and Trays business line, we can help our packaging customers protect and grow the reputation and trust of their customers. Please feel free to visit us at matrixpm.com to learn more. Today, we're going to show you a demonstration of our Hygienic Elete Premier vertical form fill seal packaging machine. Our Elete Premier is a much more hygienic design than many in the industry, and it features 95% stainless steel content, with all the fasteners, bearing shafts, and motors quite suitable for the harsh washdown environments required by many of our customers in this industry. All of these welds on the machine are ground and polished to a high shine. They're free from cracks and pits. We use stud-welded tie hooks and a permanently welded drip pan, which adds to the Premier's comprehensive sanitary build. In this demonstration, we are simulating packaging Parmesan cheese right in our own facility. You'll note that we are using a speedy stainless steel auger and cheese film provided by the fine folks at Transcontinental Film. After the demonstration, we will have time for some questions. Thanks.
Here we see the Matrix Elete vertical form fill seal machine. This particular model of Elete is the Elete Premier, which is a washdown machine. This is a large version. This is an 1823, which means it has a maximum range of an 18-inch wide bag by a 23-inch wide bag. Everything is touchscreen control. Here on the filler, we're adjusting revolutions. In this case, it's an auger filler. On the packaging machine screen, everything's touchscreen controlled. Film starts at the back on a spindle. The roll is placed on a spindle. You'll see the film unwinding. Notice the eye spots on the edge of the film that are there to register the bag. This is a printed bag. The machine can run registered or unregistered film. Film comes off the roll, through the dancer assembly, up into the print area, There's a splicing table built into the machine for roll changes. There's motor assist on this machine for large rolls. This is a smaller roll, so we're running without it. Film goes through the machine up and over the forming shoulder. There's an automatic edge guide for automatic film tracking to keep the film positioned properly, as well as a photo eye for registering the bag, looking at that eye spot, positioning the print on every bag cycle. This machine is running with a speedy auger filler that's sitting on top of the machine, dispensing the product with an auger. You can put virtually any kind of filler up here. A pump for liquids, in this case an auger. Here we're looking inside the auger hopper, seeing the agitator blade stirring the product and the screw dispensing the product every cycle to a pre-programmed volume. You can also put any variety of scales or cup filler on top of the machine. Here's kind of a bird's eye view looking down the forming tube. The auger screw is protruding down into the bag, and you can see as the jaws close and the bag pinches off or sealing, you can see that product being dispensed. Film's pulled over that forming shoulder by pull belts, either the standard friction belts, which are shown here, or vacuum pull belts. Film's measured by the black encoder wheel right above the right-hand pull belt. Vertical seal comes in and seals the long seal of the bag, the vertical seal, and the jaws close and make the end seals, and the knife cuts the bags apart. Here we're seeing the jaws and the knife. There's a variety of options as far as the jaws are concerned. This machine has standard 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch horizontal serrations. You can get different serration patterns. You get wider jaws, hole punch for hanging on a hook, tear notch for easy open feature. View from underneath the jaws as the bags are being sealed. There's a variety of different bag formats. We're making pillow bags here with a vertical seal down the long seam of the bag and horizontal end seals. The machine can also make 3 side seal bags with an optional rotated jaw format. We can do gusseted bags or full flat bottom bags. We can do a modified doi package with some modified jaws, special jaws, and the machine's available in a quad seal format. Here again, we're seeing the pull belts pull the bag and the vertical seal making that long seal. Options available on the machine: rotated jaw for 3-side seal. And that machine can be made either full-time 3-side seal or rotatable jaw, so you can change back and forth between pillow and 3-side seal. Gusset or flat bottom attachment. Gas flush is available. Hole punch, tear notch. On a coffee machine, some people will add a button valve applicator. The machine, the Elite, can be built that way. Friction belts can be upgraded to vacuum belts, and the film drive and jaw motors that are standard stepper motors can be upgraded to servo motors if desired. The Elite's available in a number of different size ranges. Width of bag can be made either up to a maximum 13-inch or a larger machine that can go up to 18-inch. Vertical seals can be any one of 3, either 15-inch maximum, 20-inch maximum, or 23-inch maximum. Now here we're seeing the bags that are going across a Wipatech check weigher. See each bag weight's being displayed. bags go across, they're weighed. There's a reject feature that if an underweight bag comes across, it will be rejected. I think we're going to see that happen in a second. There it goes. Bags come up and off the machine, across the conveyor, across the check weigher, and then on for packing. The stainless steel perforated guards are an option. This is a full washdown machine with a drip pan on top, open channel frame, and perforated stainless steel guards. Standard is a tube frame and Lexan guards. And we're seeing some finished bags. We package a lot of different products. Round or powdered products like this, coffee, tea, various pet food and snacks, snack foods, candy, jerky and dried meats, pasta, frozen foods, cheese. It's a very versatile machine.
Well, thanks for watching. As can be seen by that video, this is quite a machine. I think it's probably one of the best parts about it is it's made right here in Saukville, Wisconsin. So we've got some time for a few questions right now.
Our first question is, can you talk a little bit about the Elites, the different versions, and what type of options are available in terms of washdown, standard?
That's a good question. The Elite machine's intention when we designed it was to have a machine that was extremely customizable. And as such, it can be had in a variety of different formats. It starts off with a 13-inch wide jaw. That's kind of the standard size for it. And we offer them for dry-only packaging. And then we go into kind of a light washdown. And then, of course, a version of the heavy sanitary that you saw there. And we also have versions of that can even be a twin machine if necessary. It's probably one of the most versatile packagers that's in the industry today.
Is Compact Logix available?
Yes, it is available. Obviously, it is an upcharge from our standard control system. Standard on this machine is a Micrologix 1400. We do offer a full servo version of Rockwell's control system that can be had with a couple of different options on it, but it's based on their new Compact Logix 5320 series.
What kind of films can you use with this machine?
Well, this can support films that are both monolayer, in other words, a poly, co-extrusions, metallized film. We have applications where it's running like a craft paper as well. Obviously, we can also do conventional resistance type seals.
And our last question, can you run a quad or a DOI style bag?
Yes, this machine is available to do quads. Again, it's an option, the Elite being a very customizable platform for us. The DOI style is, it's a DOI-like. It is a stand-up type pouch. They've got a number of them out in the field with different size packages. Obviously, the larger the better, being a larger machine. And, well, we've run out of time. But thanks for watching our demo and for taking time with us during the Pack Expo Connects. If we didn't get to your question, we will be following up with you. In the meantime, for more information or to contact us, please visit us, our showroom at pe.show/300 or visit our website at www.matrixpm.com. Have a good day.